Welcome back to MotoLabDirtBikes.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust your sag and determine proper spring rates. This only requires a few simple steps and a few simple tools. Always remember to consult your manual for specifics on measurements, torque specifications, and other model-specific info. Let's get to work. We're going to show you how to check the numbers in which we've previously established on this model and show you how to adjust it from there. Let's do it. On this particular model, you'll need two tools, a 4mm Allen wrench and a spanner wrench that allows you to properly adjust the preload collar without damaging the plastic threads. So, just loosen our 4mm lock wrench. Come in, and what we're going to do is move the shock collar counterclockwise, one full turn at a time. It helps if you mark the spring collar with a Sharpie. This way you can determine that you've gone one full revolution. Okay, so we've made our necessary adjustments to bring our rider sag from 3.75 inches down to the required 4.0. So, we remeasured our free sag after we reset our rider sag at 4.0, and what we wound up with is a reading of 1.3 inches. Now, what does this mean? Well, most modern bikes require that the range of free sag be between 1 inch and 9/16 and 1 inch and 5/8. If you are below, let's say, 1 inch and 3/8 or less of free sag, then that's going to indicate that you're going to need a stiffer rate spring. Inversely, if you're 1 inch and 9/16 or above of free sag, then you're going to need a softer spring rate. So it just makes it a lot easier to write everything down. This way it's in front of you. You don't have to worry about remembering all those different numbers, and it speeds up the process. Taking the time to measure this and figure out exactly what you're doing is really such a good, important thing. And not only that, but you get to experiment and figure out what works best for you. None of these settings are really set in stone. If you wanted to adjust it, for example, so you had a little bit less rider sag, let's say you wanted to run at 3.9, by all means experiment what works best for you. Track versus off-road, as a general rule of thumb, you're going to want to run less rider sag on the track and more rider sag off-road. So we do stock all current popular springs, and are available to you with 1 to 3 day shipping, as well as many other tech tips. So check that out. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to our YouTube, and keep an eye out for those more DIY videos coming down the way. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.